Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your Motorola Moto A6 Play, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, scroll down and enter for security and location. Click on the screen lock. Currently we set up 4 digits PIN, but we can change it, for example, for the pattern. Draw your pattern, click next, draw it one more time, click confirm, and right now we can lock device and unlock by our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!